Hello friends, welcome to EC Software. This video will explain you how to lock the year or date in EC Software. The purpose of locking the year and date in the bill is that the user or the employee cannot change, delete or manipulate any information. Let us see that with an example. Now, we are entering the user ID and password. Next, we are selecting a company and pressing the enter key. If you look into this company, there are 3 years of data totally, 2017-18, 18-19 and 19-20. Go into the company menu now. Now it shows financial year locked in company menu. Click that. As we told you already, there are 3 years of data in this company, 2017-18, 18-19 and 19-20. None of the years are locked. Now we will lock the current year 2019-2020 and test that. Press the space bar or you can click the mouse. Press enter. Go to the last line and press enter again. You can see the command, it's locked. Now let's test this for authenticity. Let's take an entry and try to delete it or change it. Let's enter into credit sales bill. Using the shortcut key, you can see the credit sales bill in opening screen and click that. Now we can take the entry which is already made. 2005-41 bills have been already made. We take the previous bill and let's check. Type the bill number and press enter. You can see the bill. After the bill gets loaded, we have already logged the year 2019-20. Now we are trying to delete it. It asks if you need to delete. When you try to press S for the delete command, it shows selected year locked. It cannot be changed or deleted. So even by default, you cannot change, delete or create any new bills. Now let's try to change any bill. Taking a sample of, let's see, 1500, you can save it using Ctrl S. Usually in a sales bill, it asks whether to save. And you give S, it says selected year locked and you cannot delete, change or create new. So this shows you cannot change a bill created already. Now come on, let's try to create a new bill. We are selected random date and a party. Press enter. Just do some write-up. Press Ctrl S now. As usual, it asks if we can save. Press enter and you see the same command, selected year locked, you cannot delete, change or create new. So if you think no one should change or delete the old data bills, you can use this option as well. Next, we are going to date lock. If we should go to date lock, we have to release the year lock first. Now, date lock means date-wise lock. Go to the company menu and you see date lock in the company open screen menu. Now let's try to lock today's date 18/12/2019. You can give any from to dates. See, if you want to lock 3 days, give from to date and then give load. You can get the selected date. Which date you wanted to lock, you can tick the date. You can use spacebar or click the mouse. If you see We logged today's date 18/12/2019. Now select it and give enter. It asks whether to save. Press enter. Now we have logged 18/12/2019. Now let's go back to the bill and let's check the authenticity. Now let's create a bill for 18/12/2019. Bill date 18/12/2019. Some other party. Random entries. Just give any item, name, quantity, rate, and now press Ctrl S. It asks if we could save and you give S. It says selected, date logged, and you cannot change or delete or create new one. So in the logged date, you cannot make any changes. Thank you for listening, friends.